Um, Hello guys. So today in this video, I just want to show you a quick way you can make money to fund your account, to fund your trading account. Um, just gonna show you this quick way that I've made money to fund my trading account. So basically, this thing is called Opera News Hub. You get paid to write articles. Understand? You get paid to write articles on anything that you can write about. So this is an account that I'm going to be using to show you examples on. You understand, guys? So let's jump straight into the video. Just make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video and share it to friends and family. So as you can see, I published a few articles today. 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So I published these few articles, and basically what they do on Opera News Hub, they pay you based on the clicks, on the number of clicks that you get on your articles. So if for example I got 4,400 clicks, that's gonna be around $20 or something. You understand? So as you can see, these articles don't have much clicks because I only published them like 30 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. You understand? So they're gonna have clicks later in the day. So what you need to do is you have to open an account with Opera News Hub. You just go to your Chrome and search Opera News Hub, and you need to create an account there. I already have an account, so I'm not gonna be able to create a new one. And once you have an account, it's gonna show you something like this. You understand? It's gonna show you something like this. This is your revenue for this month. This is my revenue for this month. Basically, these are my earnings for this month. As you can see over there, as you can see over there, it reads your revenue updates from 48 hours ago every day at 16:00. All the articles you publish statuses will be defined as monetized and can be paid. You understand? So they're gonna pay you for writing articles. So basically what I have for this month is 275, which is pretty good, taking into consideration I didn't write much this month. I only wrote much last month, of which was 1,730, and I got paid on the 15th. Understand? So you get paid to write articles. You just go there and if you want to create an article, you must put a picture. For example, let's put a picture, and you put your title over there. Let's say maybe this is my title, just for example purposes, and edit thumbnail and submit. You understand? And your article is gonna show pending. It's gonna be published or rejected. You understand? So it's something like this. It's something quite easy, and you can make a lot of money if you're gonna be writing consistently. You can make a lot of money for yourself, and you can actually be able to fund your account on the following month if you are patient enough. So just make sure you check this out, guys. It's quite simple. It's not complicated. It's something that's gonna make you money consistently, and you're gonna be able to fund your account on a monthly basis if it happens that you fail your account. You understand? There are many other ways to make money in order to fund your account, but this is the one that I recommend the most. Guys. This is the one that I recommend the most because I've been using it for quite some time now. Let me just log out and show you something. I'm not sure if it's gonna yeah, so what I wanted to show you doesn't actually show, guys. I just wanted to show you my previous earnings on other accounts that I've created before. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, guys. I'm in an area with a lot of noise. So yeah, this thing is quite simple. It's not complicated, and you can make a lot of money from it if you are consistent enough and you have the patience. This is another account that I have, but I haven't been writing on this account for 2 months now because of the rejections that I've been getting from the account. So just make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to share the video to friends and family. You know you're gonna help with this video. So this is the simplest way to make money in order to fund your account. So make sure you check it out, guys. This is me signing out. Peace, guys.